मिल गया एक मरकज नया दोस्तों
On
मिल
June
गया
26,
एक
2022,
मरकज
in Hertingheim, near the city of Strasbourg, the local Ahmadiyya community opened to its neighbors the doors of its mosque inaugurated in 2019 by our beloved Caliph. During this beautiful morning, the guests could satisfy their curiosity by discovering the library in which was exposed the Holy Quran translated in about 20 languages. They could then discover the enclosure of the mosque. The guides gave detailed explanation on the interior architecture as well as the attributes of gods and the prayers inscribed on the walls, the dome and the mihrab. 3 different workshops were set up within the mosque. A video presentation of the history of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community around the world, an exhibition on the physical and spiritual benefits of prayer, illustrated by photographs of the different postures, and a question-answer corner where the visitors were allowed to ask any kind of question related to Islam and Ahmadiyyat.
Très bonne initiative de la part de la communauté parce qu'il faut faire découvrir aux gens que l'islam est une religion de paix. C'est génial parce que ça permettra de faire une découverte pour plein d'autres gens dans les petits villages aux alentours et même plus loin, voire plus loin, mais s'intégrer déjà dans un petit patelin comme ça, c'est super. L'islam a pris, on va dire, un côté un peu sombre, mais la communauté, Inch'Allah, par la grâce de Dieu, sera relevée et aura une plus belle lumière dans les prochains jours ou dans les prochaines années à venir.
After mosque's interior visit, the guests were directed to the hall where 3 other workshops awaited them. A stand dedicated to the humanitarian association of the Ahmadiyya community called Humanity First. The regional manager of the charity explained the different actions carried out at the local level for people in need. The Arabic calligraphy workshop was also a great success. The guests were able to write their first name in Arabic. Finally, the women's branch of the community also prepared a stand to present all its activities, especially in the humanitarian field, through blood donations and the collection of yellow coins. At the end of the visit, the guests were invited for a refreshment. By the grace of Allah, around 130 guests visited the mosque and the event was a huge success.
मिल गया एक मरकज नया दोस्तों मिल गया एक मरकज नया दोस्तों